In front of me is Nokia XR20, and let me show you how to change type of maps in your Google Maps. So at first let's open Google Maps, and as you can see, this is the current map. Whenever you want to change the style, tap on this icon and pick map type. So you can stay with default, you can choose satellite. This is how it works right now, how it looks. I really like this one. Then you can choose also terrain, just pick it, and it's like this. So just pick the one that you like the most and smoothly use it. Obviously you can also pick some map details. So for example, if you'd like to take a look at the current traffic, just tap on traffic and then just zoom in some area. And now it is displayed. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.